I would not term myself to be lucky in the first 10 minutes because I started with logical. So the first time when I saw the paper, it was something that was totally different. First, there was pura analytical, four things, and I was kind of shocked because I realized when I used to do the DPPs, the daily practice paper, तो उसके अंदर when I used to do logical with a fresh mind, I used to like score good. But if I used to start with English, the pattern. So I knew that if I want to ace the exams, there's just one option that I need to do GK properly. So I used to spend the maximum time of my preparation only on GK. Like the targets, I used to do them like with a lot of hard work, and like I would spend at least 5 or 6 hours every day just doing GK.
Hi everyone. So we have a very special person with us today. So that's Yamia Alag. She is a student at NPLC, and the reason we are here together because Yamia is All India rank 103 in CLAT 2026 and 69 in ALET 2026. So 103 rank in CLAT clearly signifies that she is going to NLS Bangalore, and 69 also gives a very clear picture that possibly it's NLU Delhi for her. So considering she has done very well at both the exams, so we'll just try to understand how exactly the journey was for Yamia in past 1 year. So welcome Yamia. So Yamia, the first question, or before we start everything, can you just introduce yourself so that people can connect? Yeah.
Hello everyone, my name is Yamia Alag. I schooled at Bluebell School International. I had pure science subjects in class 12th, that was PCM, and then I took a drop year and now I joined Nishant sir's classes, and since then I've been here.
Oh, great, Yamia. So Yamia, before we delve into how exactly you prepared and everything, because you are among very few of them who has been able to clear both CLAT and ALET, right? And when I say clear, I mean 100% clear seats there. So my question would be, was the preparation for you in terms of CLAT or vis-a-vis CLAT and ALET different, or you just prepared for one thing and that sufficed both the purposes?
So it was potentially the same for CLAT and ALET. Just the GK part for ALET, it was a more demanding one because of one-liners, so you had to remember a lot of things. Whereas in CLAT, you could just do the important topics, the most recent affairs, and just delve into the depths, and you would be done. So ALET GK part was kind of.
So mostly it was the same thing you did for both the exams, and eventually what had to happen happened, right? Okay, great, Yamia. So Yamia, you told what subjects you had in 12th?
So I had science subjects.
Okay, so you had science subjects. So my next obvious question, which I'm sure I'm very predictable now, that would be, why did you choose law when you had science subjects in 12th?
So basically, in 10th, I wasn't quite sure what I wanted to do. So I always thought that if I had science, I could always switch back and do anything else than that. So when 12th was coming to an end, I realized that this is something that I not really wanted to do, and I want to shift, and I don't want to do law. So then I took so I prepared for JEE as well. I gave those, I scored fine. Then I decided that no, it's law for me.
JEE you wrote in 2020, last year?
No, this year, 2025, January.
2025, this year, January, you wrote JEE, and then you realized, this is not what I wish to do. So let's try something else, and then you switched over to law.
Yes.
And then you wrote the board exam, and thereafter you have been with us, right? Okay, got it, Yamia. Okay, now, Yamia, so it was a long journey. Like, you must have seen ups, downs, good mock scores, bad mock scores, and everything, right? And eventually turned out to be rank 103 in CLAT, which happens to be an extremely good rank, right? Now, how many mocks did you write?
Like, I think 40, 140,
140, 140, 150 mocks you write. So 150, 140, 150 mocks you wrote. So you must have got a perception about the paper. कि पेपर आएगा, उसमें इंग्लिश होगा, एक क्रिटिकल होगा, लॉजिकल होगा, ये मैथ्स होगा, जीके होगा. लीगल में जब आया होगा तो यू वुड हैव थॉट भाई लीगल में प्रिंसिपल बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस आएंगे, आई नीड टू राइट इट, आई नीड टू आंसर. लॉजिकल जब देखा तो लगा कि ठीक है क्रिटिकल आएगा, हो सकता है कहीं एनालिटिकल भी आ जाए. तो पेपर मिलता है 7th को 2 बजे. Just tell us your journey about those 2 hours.
So I would not term myself to be lucky in the first 10 minutes because I started with logical. So the first time when I saw the paper, it was something that was totally different. First, there was pura analytical, 4 things, and I was kind of shocked. But then I thought कि यही सोचा है, इसी से start करना है, तो I'll do this only. So I began doing it, and those just 7 markers, the most challenging AR, I left it for the end. So I think that was a good decision. So then I continued the paper, and it seemed to be fine then.
So you mentioned that you started with logical.
Yeah.
इसका मतलब ये है कि एग्जाम देने से पहले यू वर श्योर कि तुमको लॉजिकल से शुरू करना है. सो यू मस्ट हैव गॉन थ्रू अ प्रोसेस वेरिन यू इवैल्यूएटेड कि मुझे लॉजिकल से शुरू करना है या जी को बाद में करना है, इंग्लिश कब करना है, व्हाटएवर. नाउ कैन यू टेल मी द प्रोसेस यू वेंट थ्रू मेंटली कि कब क्या एक्सपेरिमेंट किया, मॉक दिया तो उसमें दिस डिडंट वर्क आउट फॉर मी. सो हाउ डिड यू स्ट्रैटेजाइज कि मुझे लॉजिकल सबसे पहले करना है?
So because I realized when I used to do the DPPs, the daily practice paper, तो उसके अंदर when I used to do logical with a fresh mind, I used to like score good. But if I used to start with English, the pattern of the paper, I tend to like get wandered off, and जब तक logical आता था, it was the second last, तो तब तक मतलब it used to always go bad. So I thought that first I'll do logical, then I used to go to GK to lay it off. Then I used to keep legal right in the middle, so I can spend the most time and not feel कि जल्दी करना है. And then maths और English last के अंदर I used to do one set अगर हो रहा है, then वापस English and then maths का one set at the end. Because I knew that maths strong है तो हो जाएगा last में अगर रखूँ. But logical को ही decide करना was quite challenging because a lot of people told me that if you start with logical, there is a chance that legal या थोड़ा बीच के अंदर time कम रह जाए. But it used to work out for me always.
Which means जो मॉक्स और डीपीपी देते समझ में आया कि किस चीज को कहाँ पे प्लेस करना है, राइट? गॉट इट यामिया. सो यामिया, यू आर सेइंग कि मैथ्स वाज एन एसेट फॉर यू, राइट? एंड बनता भी है बिकॉज़ यू आर 12th में मैथ्स एंड ऑल, एंड दिस मैथ्स पॉसिबली वुड हैव बीन ईजियर फॉर यू. एंड मैथ्स एंड एनालिटिकल रीजनिंग का एक अपना रिश्ता होता है व्हिच गोज हैंड इन हैंड. सो यू थिंक कि ये पेपर तुमको सूट किया?
Yes, I would.
Had it been critical, you don't know क्या होता नहीं होता वो तो नहीं पता, लेकिन you think this nature of paper, मतलब ये जो पूरा सेटअप था वो तुमको ज्यादा सूट करता?
I would agree, yes.
But I have a contrary view too. I think had critical been in place of analytical, still you would have done so well, right? Because मैं तो तुम्हारा लास्ट का स्कोर्स देख रहा था. आई थिंक क्रिटिकल ऑल्सो यू आर डूइंग प्रिटी वेल. सो योर सक्सेस इज नॉट रिलायंट ऑन अ गुड एनालिटिकल पेपर. हाँ, पॉसिबली इट हैज हेल्प्ड यू एंड टू रिटेन व्हाट यू एक्चुअली डिजर्व. ग्रेट, यामिया. सो आई अंडरस्टैंड. सो यामिया, my next question of course would be, what was the most challenging part of the preparation, matlab in terms of subject?
So it's obviously GK for me.
So I wanted to hear from you. It's very likely everybody whom I've interviewed, everybody comes down to GK. So मेरा of course होता है like everybody who is struggling with GK. My question would be कि भाई क्या किए, कैसे किए, क्यों किए, इतना कैसे किए, all these things, whatever. Yeah, go ahead.
So I knew that if I want to ace the exams, there's just one option, that I need to do GK properly. So I used to spend the maximum time of my preparation only on GK. Like the targets, I used to do them like with a lot of hard work, and like I would spend at least 5 or 6 hours every day just doing GK. Especially जब target pass आता था, then the whole time I would just do GK. So I think it was hard work for me. because I had like my memory is very slow in terms of GK, and because 11th 12th it was nothing to remember, it was just for me to apply the principles, and ekdam se hi itni sari GK and so many compendiums, so much to learn. It was quite overwhelming in the beginning. Like I used to think ki mujhse nahi hoga, but then I used to just do it every single day, revise, and eventually I got used to it.
So consistency.
Yes, consistent.
So that gets me again. You say that you used to do DPPs, you used to prepare for targets, then you were writing 140 150 mocks in like last 6 to 7 months. You told you started. So आप जब इतनी चीजें करते हैं, इसका मतलब आप बहुत ज्यादा इनग्रॉस्ड हैं पूरे प्रोसेस में, राइट? विच मीन्स कि तुम एकदम लगातार यामिया लगी हुई थी. एंड दैट्स व्हाट आई ऑल्सो बिलीव, दैट कंसिस्टेंसी इज द की टू सक्सेस. द मोमेंट यू स्टार्ट एनालाइजिंग कि ये सेक्शन इंग्लिश कॉम्प्रिहेंशन प्रैक्टिस करने से तो क्या ही होगा, इट ऑलवेज इम्प्रूव्स इन द बैकड्रॉप. इट नेवर इम्प्रूव्स बोल के कि होता ना, ठीक है जीके में यू न्यू ABC, तुमने पढ़ाई की, नाउ यू डू नाउ यू नो DEF. बट इंग्लिश और क्रिटिकल में ऐसा होता नहीं है. सो यू हैव टू कीप प्रैक्टिसिंग, इट इम्प्रूव्स. ग्रेट यामिया. सो जीके भी अंडरस्टूड कि ऐसा था. मैथ्स यू आर सेइंग यू आर गुड एट. सो मैथ्स में जब तुम अच्छे थे, व्हेन यू आर गुड एट मैथ्स, डिड यू आल्सो प्रैक्टिस कि मैथ्स को बिल्कुल छोड़ दिया कि वो तो मैं अच्छा है ही मेरा, I'll take it for granted? How did it go?
Not take it for granted, but I used to do the maths classes that we used to have. I used to do them regularly. Like I would never miss a class. And except for that, if it's coming on the target, then I would maintain, like I would ensure that if it's on the target, I need to get every single question done in that, like that arithmetical book that we had, objective one. I would do every single question of that, like puri exercise. If it's not done, I'm not going to give the test. So if it's on the target, I need to get it done. But I didn't used to do anything.
So you took targets very seriously and religiously. That's what I've heard. Everybody who has done well, every one common point, they all saying that we do our targets very seriously. Okay, great. Now, Yamia, if I ask you, ki mock and mock analysis, considering you wrote 140 mocks, what is your take on mock and mock analysis? क्या होना करना चाहिए, नहीं करना चाहिए? क्या है mock and mock analysis?
So I think giving the mocks with a clear mind, because in the beginning, like when we used to have like 4, 5 mocks in a week, तो रेसिड्यू रह जाता था कि अगर पहले वाला मॉक अच्छा नहीं गया, फिर अगले दिन थोड़ा सा दुख होता था, and then you used to have like a heavy mind and then give. So I thought that giving it with a free mind was the one thing that I realized in the end, that is going to help, because another mock cannot influence the other mock's marks. And except for that, I think mock analysis was very important for me. At least I used to have my friends and we used to like debate a lot on the questions ki ye kaise galat ho gaya, and I couldn't sleep without doing the mock analysis. I know that for sure कि जब तक वो खत्म नहीं होगा, एक क्वेश्चन समझ नहीं आया. So it used to be fun as well after some point of time कि हाँ समझ आ रही चीजें. तो yeah, mock analysis and giving mocks both were very important, like the most important.
मुझे ये प्रोसेस बहुत फन लगता है और मुझे लगता है कि इट्स ऑल्सो एन एक्सरसाइज वेर इन आपका इमोशंस बाहर निकलता है, राइट? कि वो जो फ्रस्ट्रेशन एक्यूमुलेट होता है वो राइटिंग की, ये ऑथर ये भी तो बोल रहा है, ये भी बोल रहा है, राइट? सो कोई सुनो तो मेरी बात कि मैं ऑथर ये भी बोल रहा है. सो वो इमोशंस का आउटबर्स्ट बड़ा ज़रूरी होता है वो मॉक एनालिसिस पे. सो दैट ऑलवेज हेल्प एंड दैट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एक्सरसाइज.
Like till the end of it, when I was writing the mock, I would be thinking कि this is a good point to get up in the mock analysis कि मैं ये बोल सकती हूँ.
कुछ लोग तो इतने इंड्रॉस्ड हो गए थे कि वो एग्जामिनेशन मॉक देते देते भी यही सोचने लगते थे कि एनालिसिस में ना मैं ये आर्ग्यू करूँ.
Yeah, that used to be yes.
So that is great. You know that happens when you have lesser number of people wherein you can conduct that exercise. Otherwise, they're like 500 students. How will you do that? That's not possible, right? Okay, Yamya, got it. Yamya, one more question. Considering you have done very well, 103 is a dream rank, and मतलब everybody तुम जिस पोजीशन में हो, possibly हर CLAT aspirant इसी पोजीशन में आना चाहता है. So my question would be कि अंदर में कोई मलाल है क्या? मलाल in the sense कि would you want to change anything in those 2 hours? कि अगर मैंने ये नहीं किया होता तो ये 103 आज 3 होता, या 103 आज 54 होता, 103 आज in terms of rank. कोई ऐसी गलती which we would like to highlight, and तुम्हारे गलती highlight कराने का purpose मेरा ये है, so that students who are writing it next year and are listening to you may not do that, right? First is that, and second, you may also, compare it with or anything in the course of preparation you think that you should have done this more or that less so that it would have helped you. So both the questions ko you may just tell us ki how exactly was
I
it?
think it was a balance in my full journey. It was a balance of everything. So in my journey, I would not like to change anything. It was the best I could possibly do. But in those 2 hours, I think that there were some questions where वो overthink वाला factor थोड़ा सा आ गया था. Because of
In
that,
those 2 hours?
Yeah, in those 2 hours. So in English, because I was doing it in the second last thing, I had just 25 minutes left and I was doing GK, English, and it was about to end. So in those 2-3 questions where I was not sure, so usme I overthought, and because of that, I'm pretty sure I got 2-3 questions wrong over there. Except for that, in GK as well, I knew such stuff and I marked it wrong. Like, उस moment के अंदर, I was panicking a little bit. थोड़ा सा end के अंदर, and you have like 10 minutes left, you have left 5-6 questions, and then that panic one things, and like मेरे दिमाग में से rank गिरती हुई दिख रही थी मेरे को. So I thought I should have definitely ignored that and focused, because I was calm throughout. I was calm even when I saw the logical section. But वो last के 5 minutes, if I would have maintained my peace, I think I would have gotten at least 5 or 4 marks more.
And legal GK देख के कैसा लगा था? It was not a usual legal section. Well, legal reasoning was legal GK basically.
Yeah, but because we gave such difficult mocks that when we saw that legal section, I was like,
it was a cake. So, Yamya, any advice you have for the students who are writing it next year? कैसे रखना है, consistency maintain करना है, या फिर low score जो mocks है बहुत बार low scoring होता है, how to get over with that, या उसको कितना seriously लेना है, etc. etc. Any general advice you have?
General advice, I would give that consistency is the main thing, definitely. If you're consistent throughout, and if you don't let the lows and highs get to you, then you would definitely make it. Like, the hard work will pay off, definitely. And except for that, I would suggest that you should talk to your mentors, because I used to come to Sir literally every single day, and I would be crying about a lot of different things. And it used to feel a little bit light after telling you ki someone knows what is happening with me. So definitely discussing it with a lot of people, it brings the at least it brings you some amount of calmness in you. And you should discuss questions with your friends. I would say that we used to spend so much time together studying and sending so many questions, doubts. It used to we used to have our own set of doubts, and you can go back to them and learn. So definitely that, and you should always have hope. You should always have hope.
That's the most important part. That's what I always say. You have to believe in the process and we'll see what happens. Great, Yamya. So I think the competitiveness at center was also very high.
Yeah.
So everybody used to work hard. So that actually pulled up everybody, right? कि सबने खूब सारी पढ़ाई करी, and things look bright now. Great, Yamya. So I think we had a wonderful journey, Yamya, and I have seen you working hard. I've seen you grooming. It's not that when you came, then you were not a good student or something. You're still very good, but I think the process was rigorous, and we could make some difference to your life. And finally, NLS Bangalore, it is, right? So I think possibly the best institution in the country you're heading towards, right? And so it was a wonderful journey, Yamya. We'll keep in touch. Stay blessed, right? We are yet to celebrate the success, right? हम लोग थोड़ा लेट करते हैं. मैं थोड़ा खुद ही आलसी हूँ, right? So हम लोग थोड़ा लेट करते हैं. इंटरव्यू भी पूरी दुनिया की इंटरव्यू आ चुकी है, right? इससे पहले कि कोई AI से तुम्हारा ही इंटरव्यू बना देता, I thought चलो होता ना, let us call Yamya and do it, right? So इसी के लिए, because अर्शनूर और सिद्धांत का तो मैं पहले दिन करियर वो सबसे vulnerable थे, इस देश में single digit rank का, you would have seen rank 10 और ऊपर में छोटा सा स्टार लगा के
yes.
राइट वो कर रहे होते हैं सोच रहे होता है कि ये कैटेगरी कर रहे हैं सो इसलिए वो फॉरगेट किया देन आई थॉट कि होता है ना कि लेट दिस एंटायर थिंग सेटल डाउन देन विल आई विल इंटरव्यू एंड द पार्टी आई थिंक विल बी डूइंग नेक्स्ट वीक में मतलब जनवरी फर्स्ट वीक में करते हैं राइट सो हैव अ वंडरफुल ईयर यामिया होता ना विल कीप इन टच गॉड ब्लेस यू एनीथिंग रिक्वायर्ड सेंटर इज ऑलवेज देयर राइट
Thank you so much.
बाय यामिया टेक केयर